Greetings. In this video we are going to look at how we can quickly scan a Twitter account to see how authentic or if there's any suspicious activity when you're trying to verify and see the authenticity of a Twitter account. So the tool we're going to look at in this video is called Botsentinel. If you go to your Google or in your search engine and you type in Botsentinel, you press enter, then it will lead you here. It's botsentinel.com, so you can click on this first one. Okay, and then it loads this interface. Okay, so to analyze any Twitter account, as you can see, before we go to analyze, it has these parameters: normal, satisfactory, disruptive, and problematic. So these are the results it gives you for any account that you analyze. So to analyze an account, you come here to analyze account, and then you put in the handle. Okay, I'll put in mine for now to see. So that's the Twitter handle that you want to analyze, and then you click submit, and you give it a few seconds as it analyzes the account for you. Okay, so we have a scale here. So if your percentage is in from 0 to 24, then it's normal, satisfactory 25 to 49%. Now if it's in 50% to 74%, then it's disruptive, there's an issue, then even problematic. So you need to strive to ensure that your account is in 0 to 49, because beyond that, then there is an issue. So as you can see, my rating is 17%, which is in the normal scale between 0 to 24%. So this gives you a quick scan to see, just to judge and assess how the activity on that account, can it be trusted, and then you can make your judgment on the information that that account is tweeting to see if it's authentic or you need to further cross-check for it. Thank you.